Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so glad you're here today, ready to learn another important word. Some words help us describe how people behave, especially when that behavior isn't honest. And today's word is exactly about that. Today, we're going to learn the word deceive. So, what does deceive mean? To deceive means to make someone believe something that isn't true. It's about lying or tricking someone on purpose. People deceive others to hide the truth or to get what they want. But it is not a good thing to do. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word deceive. He tried to deceive his teacher by copying the homework. Don't be deceived by her smile. She's not always friendly. The ad was designed to deceive customers into buying more. She felt hurt when she realized her friend had deceived her. It's wrong to deceive people just to protect yourself. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember deceive in context. A few years ago, I bought a phone online. The pictures looked perfect, shiny, new, and very cheap. But when it arrived, it was scratched, old, and didn't even work. I realized the seller had deceived me. He used fake photos and never answered my messages. At first, I was angry. Then I felt a bit foolish. I learned a big lesson that day. Always check reviews and buy from trusted sites. It's not nice to be deceived, and it's not nice to deceive others. Trust is important, and once it's broken, it's hard to fix. Now, I always tell my students, honesty is better than deception. So, that's the word deceive, to lie, to trick, and to break someone's trust. Use it when you talk about honesty, trust, or stories with surprises. See you next time for another useful word. Take care and keep learning.